Have you ever wondered how a vehicle can stay underwater for months without ever visiting a gas station? Submarines operate in one of the most hostile environments on Earth, where a simple refueling mistake can expose them to enemy ships, aircraft, and even catastrophic failure. But here's the crazy part. Some submarines must refuel in the middle of the ocean while connected to giant tankers in rough seas, while others carry enough power to circle the planet for years without needing a single drop of fuel. Today, we're uncovering the hidden science, engineering, and dangers behind how submarines refuel, and why the future of underwater travel may never need refueling at all.
When most people think about submarines, they imagine stealth missions, torpedoes, and hidden operations. But submarine engineers worry about something much simpler: weight. A submarine must stay perfectly balanced underwater. Too heavy, and it sinks. Too light, and it rises. Every time the engines burn fuel, the submarine becomes lighter. That may not sound serious, but deep underwater, even small weight changes can affect stability. So how do submarines burn thousands of gallons of fuel without throwing everything off balance? The solution is so strange that engineers intentionally let seawater enter the submarine. Most people assume submarine fuel tanks are located safely inside the vessel, but many diesel submarines store fuel in tanks between the outer hull and the pressure hull. As fuel is consumed, seawater slowly replaces it. It sounds crazy, but this keeps the submarine's weight almost constant throughout the mission. Fuel goes out, water comes in. The balance stays the same. It's one of the smartest engineering tricks hidden inside a submarine. But when seawater and fuel meet, they create a nasty problem that crews must constantly fight. Diesel fuel and seawater don't mix well. When they come into contact, they can form a thick sludge called an emulsion. This sludge can clog systems, damage equipment, and reduce engine performance. To prevent that, submarines use powerful centrifugal separators. These machines spin fuel at extremely high speeds, separating water from diesel before it reaches the engines. It's an invisible process happening throughout the mission. But eventually, every diesel submarine faces a problem no machine can solve. Sooner or later, the fuel runs out, and the submarine must reveal itself. A submarine's greatest advantage is staying hidden. Deep underwater, it's incredibly difficult to detect. But diesel submarines can't stay submerged forever. Eventually, they need more fuel. That means surfacing. The moment a submarine rises above the waves, it becomes visible to radar, aircraft, and surveillance systems. After weeks of hiding beneath the ocean, it suddenly becomes vulnerable. And that's where the real danger begins. Because refueling doesn't happen in a safe harbor. It often happens in the middle of the open ocean.
Imagine standing on a submarine in rough seas. Waves are crashing, the wind is howling, and a giant fuel tanker is moving beside you. The crew must bring both vessels close enough to transfer fuel without colliding. Every wave creates new risks. Every movement puts stress on the fuel lines. Yet the operation must continue, because without fuel, the mission ends. But there's one nightmare scenario every crew fears. What if an enemy suddenly appears while the submarine is still connected to the tanker? That's why submarines use a dramatic emergency system that can disconnect everything in seconds, even if it means using explosives.
The crew is focused on the transfer. Then suddenly, radar operators detect a possible threat. Maybe it's an enemy aircraft. Maybe it's a hostile warship. Whatever it is, the submarine needs to leave immediately. But there's one problem. It's still physically connected to the tanker. Disconnecting the normal way could take precious minutes. And in combat, minutes can mean the difference between survival and disaster. That's why engineers developed emergency breakaway systems. With the push of a button, explosive couplings can instantly separate the fuel lines. The submarine is free to dive and disappear beneath the waves within moments. But even with all this technology, diesel submarines still face one problem they can never escape. Eventually, they need fuel again. For decades, navies accepted the limitations of diesel submarines. They were effective, but their need for fuel constantly exposed them to danger. Then came a breakthrough that changed everything: nuclear power. Suddenly, submarines no longer needed to surface every few weeks for fuel. Instead of burning diesel, they carried a small nuclear reactor capable of producing enormous amounts of energy. It was one of the biggest revolutions in military engineering. A nuclear submarine could stay underwater for months, travel across entire oceans, and operate far from friendly ports. For the first time, submarines gained something every commander dreams of: freedom. And the most incredible part is that a nuclear submarine doesn't just create power, it creates its own survival system. Inside a nuclear submarine, the reactor generates heat. That heat produces steam. The steam drives powerful turbines that propel the vessel through the ocean. But propulsion is only the beginning. The reactor also provides electricity for nearly everything on board. It powers navigation systems, communications equipment, lighting, computers, and life support systems. Even more impressive, the submarine can create its own fresh water by removing salt from seawater. It can also generate oxygen through electrolysis, splitting water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. In other words, a nuclear submarine can produce many of the resources humans need to survive. That's why some people describe them as underwater cities, entire communities operating in complete isolation beneath the sea. Yet, despite all this power, nuclear submarines still have a weakness that no engineer has been able to eliminate. Most people assume fuel is the biggest limitation for a submarine. Surprisingly, that's no longer true. Modern nuclear reactors can operate for years without needing replacement fuel. The real challenge is the crew. Humans weren't designed to live in a steel tube underwater for months at a time. The lack of sunlight, the confined spaces, and the constant routine can become mentally exhausting. Food is another limitation. Even if the submarine has enough power to stay underwater for years, it can only carry a finite amount of supplies. Eventually, the crew needs rest. Eventually, food runs low. And eventually, every mission comes to an end. In many cases, it's the people on board, not the submarine itself, that determine how long the voyage lasts. But when a nuclear submarine finally does need refueling, the process looks like something straight out of science fiction. Unlike diesel submarines, nuclear submarines don't refuel at sea. When the reactor eventually reaches the end of its fuel cycle, the vessel enters a specialized dry dock. Engineers carefully open sections of the submarine and remove the spent nuclear fuel. This is one of the most complex maintenance operations in the world. Every step is monitored. Every component is handled with extreme precision. Historically, this process happened every 7 to 10 years, but modern technology is changing that. Many new submarines are now being built with reactors designed to last for their entire service life, sometimes more than 30 years. That means a submarine launched today may never need another refueling operation again. Think about that for a second. A machine capable of traveling across the planet, operating underwater for decades, and potentially never needing new fuel during its entire career. That's how far engineering has come. If submarines can already operate for decades without refueling, what happens when future ships no longer need fuel at all? And could the technology being developed today completely change the future of transportation, logistics, and exploration? From seawater-filled fuel tanks to nuclear reactors that can power a vessel for decades, submarine refueling is far more complicated than most people realize. What looks simple from the outside is actually a constant battle against physics, engineering limits, and the harsh reality of life beneath the ocean.
And perhaps the most fascinating part is that the future may eliminate refueling altogether. So the next time you see a submarine disappear beneath the waves, remember, there's an incredible world of engineering hidden beneath the surface. How was the video? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe.